So here's another video. This time it's the beta exhaust, and with this mount it can't go. There's no back part to go over, no lip, because of the mount of the exhaust. So I clamped it on the straight part, so now I have to be careful, right? This is on and it should hold. There should be enough force there, but to make sure, I'll probably wrap something around it, make sure I'm not facing that at all other than when I initially put air in it, and then just be mindful of that end. Could slide up. I don't think it would go with enough force with how much pressure I'm doing, but that's why I'll still wrap something kind of around this, just to kind of, if it does go anywhere, that will dampen it, and I'll make sure it's facing down and away from me. This end goes on fine. So I got this end on. I think it's good enough. And we will get that dent and then that dent out of the exhaust. This is the one that rubs against the frame, which is annoying, makes kind of a noise. And then the one over here that my cheap Chinese guard didn't protect from at all. So anyways, we're gonna get those ones out, so let's go ahead and do that. I'll try to set you guys up in a way that you can watch. Dent out pretty good, so I'm gonna go, because I don't trust this end totally, I'm going to say 40, and just because those are gnarly looking things, I'm just gonna kind of wrap it. So if it blows, this will kind of slow down any projectile. Get my torch right here, and the dent's right up here. Came a little bit, I think, out. I think I want a little bit more pressure. It's kind of the scary part, because things are heated up, they expand. See where we are. Go a little more. 50. Okay, a little above 50. Just gonna for that guy back up. Go ahead, let's keep heating. I'm going to go ahead and now work on this other spot. This side looks really good. That's a pretty good crease. Might need more pressure to really bend that back out. That spot looks really good. So see what the pressure is, and it's still like 55, so I think I'm still safe. Just gonna kind of wrap it Okay, I think I'm at like 65. Go ahead and we'll heat it up again and see what happens. I think that's as good as I'm going to get that spot. Take you guys in closer. I think that's as good as I'm going to get. It doesn't seem too bad to me. This is the R spot with the scratches. Be careful I don't touch it. I think that's looking good. That was it for now. So we'll call that good. So what you want to do is go over here and release the air. Old oil might come out that has accumulated inside the exhaust. There you go until it stops hissing. There you go. It's probably going to still build up a tad pressure because it's hot. But that seemed to work like that, clamping it down. Just like I said, when you're doing it that way and you don't have a lip to stop it, be very careful. So hopefully this video helped you all out. Like I said, I'll be doing this on the side. So look at my Facebook page, Meeker Extreme. I'll have the info up there probably within the next few weeks. Have a good one. Bye.